If you've never rekeyed our showcase ratchet locks before, it may seem intimidating at first. But with our patented locksmith-friendly features, you'll see just how easy it is to rekey these locks. Hello, I'm Michael with Olympus Lock, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is to disassemble these locks to prepare them for rekeying. For this procedure, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. Using your change keys, open the lock and remove the ratchet strap. Using your screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the rectangular back plate of the lock. Remove the plate. You will now see an exposed screw in the lock body. Remove this screw and slide out the lock and the top block. Rekey the cylinder as usual. Place the top block onto the Bible of the cylinder, then slide the assembly into the lock body. Reinstall the top block retention screw and the back plate screws. Test the function of the lock. Your lock is now ready for use. If you need more information, contact us via email at info@olympuslock.com, call us at 206-362-3290, or visit our website, olympus-lock.com. Thanks for watching.